Welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'll show you how to prepare a stainless steel pan so it becomes virtually non-stick, and I'll show you the comparison with a pan that hasn't been prepared properly. First, place a stainless steel pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium-high. Let the pan heat for around 30 seconds and then flick a few drops of cold water onto the surface. If the drops evaporate immediately, then the pan is not hot enough. But if the drops of water form beads that glide or dance across a pan's surface without evaporating instantly like this, then the pan is at optimal heat and virtually non-stick. Give the pan a quick wipe with some paper toweling and then add your cooking oil. So the key is to have the pan hot enough for the water to bead, so this indicates the pan's surface tension is at an ideal temperature for cooking without sticking. This test should be done each time you heat the pan to ensure it's ready for non-stick cooking. So this method works because at the right temperature the pan creates a thin layer of vapour under the water drops, making them bead and move easily. When the oil is added after the pan has reached this temperature, it helps create a smooth cooking surface that significantly reduces sticking. Now here's what happens when the pan is not at optimal heat. As you can see, the egg just sticks to it like crazy and it's impossible to separate from the pan. So this simple water bead test is an effective visual cue for you to know whether your stainless steel pan is ready for optimal non-stick cooking. Thanks for visiting My Home Hub. Consider liking and subscribing for more reviews and how-to videos. And until next time, happy cooking!